What do you want? Stop staring at me! Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Can you get off my bed, please? You know what, you're a cat. You've got no responsibilities, have you? All you do is sleep, shit and eat. That's all you do. I've got responsibilities. So get the fuck off my bed. Get the fuck off my bed. Look at that great prop design though. You can tell I'm on a budget, can't you? Dickhead. Hi everyone, thanks for watching my video. Rude. Thanks for watching my video. This is basically what humans would be like if they were cats. But yeah, you can subscribe to me down there. Down there. You can also follow me on Twitter at CrazyChamesy, and you can go on my Tumblr, crazychamesy.tumblr.com if you dare. If you dare. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, and you can like, comment and do whatever the fuck else you want to do. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.